In this short video I will run through the different types of Tunisian crochet hooks available, the ones I particularly like to use and the ones that I find most useful. I shall also quickly run through how to decide what size of crochet hook to use for a particular yarn, and my top tip for replacing a damaged stopper on an 8mm Tunisian crochet hook. A great way to learn Tunisian crochet is to start out using an ordinary crochet hook. One like this is perfect. It has a straight shank and the handle serves as a stopper to keep the loops in place, and it is ideal for making projects such as this teddy bear scarf. You can see that the shank is long enough. Next hook up is this 10-inch long Tunisian crochet hook. Crucially, the stopper at the end keeps the loops in place, and a 10-inch hook is perfect for scarves and cowls such as this one I'm currently making. Having said all that, in my opinion, the most useful length of Tunisian crochet hook is 14 inches. That covers the requirements of the vast majority of projects. The other type of Tunisian crochet hook is the one with cables, and here is a set of Knit Pro Tunisian crochet hooks. Here are the cables of different lengths and essential for really big projects such as blankets. And this is how they work. Here is the cable, and the cable screws into the end of the hook, and to stop the loops falling off, a stopper is screwed onto the end of the cable, and a tightening pin is provided to secure the stopper and the hook to the cable. My preference is to use a 14-inch Tunisian crochet hook for all my projects. This is a sweater I made using Aran gauge wool. This sweater I would describe as medium to large, and the width of it is 22 inches. And I made this using a 14-inch long Tunisian crochet hook. And this is a larger sweater I made using super chunky yarn, and even this I managed to make using my 14-inch long Tunisian crochet hook. But really wide articles of clothing would require a hook with a cable. A very important thing to note with Tunisian crochet is to use a Tunisian crochet hook larger than the hook size recommended on the yarn. This is the sizing I use for deciding which Tunisian crochet hook to use. So double knit would normally recommend a crochet hook size of around 4mm, and for that I would use a Tunisian crochet hook size of 6mm. Aran weight would normally be around 5mm crochet hook, and for that I would use a 7mm Tunisian crochet hook, and chunky yarns would normally be at least 6mm recommended crochet hook, and for that I would use an 8mm Tunisian crochet hook, or 2mm more than the recommended crochet hook size on the information band. This is my most frequently used and most loved Tunisian crochet hook. It is an 8mm diameter 14-inch long hook, and you can see that the stopper has fallen off, and in fact it is irreparable. But my fix is to use a plastic cotton bobbin. It fits absolutely perfectly and keeps the loops nice and secure, and they no longer fall off the hook.